Welcome to the John Spencer foam explosion. I'm trying to get the foam on the walls here. I glued them and then put them in here originally, but putting the walls back in kind of the glue didn't survive. This wall did okay, but the rest, it's problematic to say the least. We don't have quite enough foam for this wall, so hopefully we'll get some more. Of course, the roof needs, something up there. Need like a rug on the floor or something. But come together slowly, surely.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please consider supporting Noisebridge by going to patreon.com/Noisebridge and signing up for a monthly donation.